This is McGann continuing on how to build a skeleton for a model in Maya 2012. What you want to do at this point when you have pretty much the middle and half of your model all set up, you want to make sure that all the axes, axi are all in the proper alignment so that it doesn't trip you up later. And how you're going to do that, the best way is go to the root bone that you installed earlier, click that. It looks like everything's selected, but it's really not, because if you do anything, it's only going to affect that one root bone. So what you need to do, go up to Window in the Animation, Window, Hierarchy, Hypergraph Hierarchy, I'm getting tongue-tied today, and that'll show you how all the bones are connected. Then you want to go to Edit, and select hierarchy, and you want to make sure that you still have that root bone selected. So select hierarchy, it should all turn white, and that's how you'll know that it really got it. Then we're going to go over to create, and display, and transform display, local rotation axis. Alright, now if you look, most of them are oriented in the way that is I guess easiest, best, whatever, with all the Y's sticking up, X on one side, Z on the other, but we do have some, like right through here, that the Z's are kind of on the wrong side from everything else. Now if I wanted to, I could take all the Z's from the right side here and flip them over, but since there's fewer Z's here, that's just easier. So we're going to go and kind of attack them, and what we're going to want to do first, I'll minimize that hypergraph. We're going to go down to the bottom here. It says MEL, and you're going to go all the way across to the right side. There should be a little tiny box icon here, like a screen thing, and click on that. Now what we want to do is write our own code, and I've already done this before, so it's up here, but what you're going to do is go, and I hope you can see my mouse moving up here, go to these menus here. You're going to click over on Custom, and for something like rotate, we're going to type in rotate minus R minus OS, and then we're going to go 90, 0, 0, and that's going to be, I believe, our X axis. We have to click it with the middle of the mouse, highlight it all, then click it with your middle mouse button, and you're going to drag it up here and drop it up here. It's going to say save script to shelf as type. Mel is the one that you want. And now I already have them up here, but just for if you need it to move the Y and Z axis, you go rotate minus R with no space, then put the space minus OS, and then 0, 90, 0, and that would take care of the y-axis. You'd click it, drag it up here, and then if you do 0, 0, 90, and highlight it, click it, drag it up here, that should be your z-axis. But right now that's all we need, especially since I have the other ones selected. Now what we want to do is go to select by component type, uncheck what's up there, check on question mark. And now it should, if you see, it's making a line. You can click on the little blue lines here, hold down Shift and select all the ones on the wrong side. And now what that code that we put in is going to do is allow us to rotate it perfectly 90 degrees without screwing anything else up. So it's only going to rotate on the x-axis though, so we are going to have to push it twice for this particular piece here. So push it once. I think my Maya's just running slow. Give it a minute. Oh, why are you not working? It says you're working. Oh, and there they go. There it went. And now you can see that all the Z's that I had selected are now over on this side, and so that makes a more uniform axis that will give me less troubles in the future. So when we want to turn that off, we're just going to click down. I still have more work to do. Oops, I'm sorry. I still have more work to do on this model, but that's just a quick sample to show you. I'm going to go back and click on the select by object type. We're going to click on that root bone, go over to edit, select hierarchy, and then display, transform display, local rotation axis. And now that's all gone, and you don't have those annoying letters anymore, because no matter what you do, you can't get rid of those letters without selecting everything and clicking. And So you can't click off of it and they disappear. Nothing will take them away other than that. So hope that's been helpful. Let me know what else you need, and we'll probably have another skeleton tutorial just posted up shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.